Hi, my name is Javier Azem Medina, and congratulations on receiving your new Burros. Burros today run in multiple different operations, and we're thrilled to be a part of yours and helping create value. So today, we're going to be showing you how to unbox these Burros.
First, here's a list of tools that you're going to need. A flathead screwdriver, snips, scissors, or box cutters, a Phillips screwdriver or a 13mm socket head, and a second person to help you lift a burro. Now that you got your tools, you want to grab your flathead screwdriver and start prying the box open. Note, if you get a container like this one, it is reusable, so be mindful when taking it apart. Let's talk about what comes with the Burros. Each burro comes with 2 batteries, so the amount of batteries you get will vary depending on how many burros you are receiving. Each burro will also have a bag attached to it that will contain the necessary parts to finish putting burro together. For now, we want to put the batteries to the side and focus on unloading the top burro. Notice how we have the burro strapped down. Simply take your cutters and cut the ties. Once that is done, you will need an extra set of hands to help you unload the top burro. Note that burros without batteries and top tray weigh about 220 pounds or 100 kilograms. Now that burros are on the ground, we can start assembling them. First thing you want to do is locate the bag with the parts. You can find them inside the battery slot. At this point, you want to bring your batteries next to burro and start assembling them. Let's take a closer look at what comes inside the battery box. When you open the box, you should see a bag that has 2 terminal screws and 2 terminal caps. Hold on to them, as you will need to attach the cables to the batteries. We can now go ahead and pull the battery out of the box. There's also manufacturer information for the batteries that you can do what you please with. What we want to do now is pull out one of the battery cables, the Burro battery holder, and 2 thumb screws from the Burro parts bag. Once you have these, grab the terminal screws that came in the battery box and use them to attach the battery cable. It is important that you connect the red cable to the positive battery terminal and the black cable to the negative terminal. As you can see here, we are tightening them by hand first. At this point, grab your Phillips head or your 13mm socket to finish tightening the terminal screws. When attaching the cable, you want the red cable to stick out while the black cable runs across the battery. After tightening the screws, you can go ahead and add the terminal caps. Very important that you add the caps. If there are no terminal caps, use electric tape to cover the terminals. Do not use without terminals being covered. Now let's go ahead and put the batteries inside the burro. Notice here in the video, the red cable on the battery is facing out. You want to make sure when you place the battery, it is in the same orientation. You want to put the battery inside the slot. Plug in the battery cable and make sure red is red and black is black. If everything is done correctly, the connection should only let you plug in the correct way. After you plug it in, attach the battery bracket with the thumb screws. Repeat for all your batteries and burros. Now let's see how to engage the motors on Burro. Each motor has its own latch to engage or disengage. To engage the motor, flip the latch horizontally. And if we want it to disengage, flip the latch vertically.
Alright, that's it for this video. If you have any questions, feel free to contact any of our representatives. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next one.